If you're researching weight loss treatments, you've probably heard about Zepbound and compounded Tirzepatide. While both are based on the same active ingredient, they're not the same product, and there are important differences you should understand before making a decision. So, what are the pros and cons of each in 2026? In this comparison, we'll explain how they differ, their advantages, their drawbacks, and what you should discuss with your healthcare provider. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Zepbound. Zepbound is the brand name prescription medication developed by Eli Lilly. It contains tirzepatide and is FDA-approved for chronic weight management in eligible adults when combined with a reduced-calorie diet and increased physical activity. One of Zepbound's biggest advantages is that it has gone through extensive clinical testing. Its safety, effectiveness, dosage, and manufacturing quality have all been evaluated through large clinical trials and reviewed by regulatory authorities. Every pen is manufactured under strict quality standards to ensure consistent dosing. Another benefit is the convenient dosing schedule. Like other tirzepatide treatments, Zepbound is injected once a week, and the dosage is gradually increased to help reduce side effects while your body adjusts. Now let's look at compounded tirzepatide. Compounded medications are prepared by licensed compounding pharmacies. In certain situations, they may be prescribed when a commercially available medication is unavailable or when a patient has a specific medical need that cannot be met by the approved product. One possible advantage of compounded medications is accessibility. During periods of supply shortages, some patients have turned to compounded versions after consulting with their healthcare providers. In some cases, compounded products may also have different pricing depending on the pharmacy. However, there are important limitations. Compounded tirzepatide is not FDA approved, meaning it has not undergone the same review process for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing consistency as the brand name medication. The quality of compounded products can also vary depending on the pharmacy preparing them. Whether using Zepbound or compounded tirzepatide, side effects are generally similar because they contain tirzepatide. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach discomfort, and reduced appetite. These symptoms are often temporary and may improve as treatment continues. Cost is another factor to consider. Zepbound may be covered by some insurance plans, although coverage varies widely. Compounded versions may sometimes cost less, but they are often not covered by insurance, and availability depends on local regulations and pharmacy practices. So, what are the pros and cons? Zepbound offers the confidence of an FDA-approved medication with standardized manufacturing, proven clinical data, and consistent dosing. On the other hand, compounded tirzepatide may offer an alternative in certain situations, but it does not undergo the same regulatory approval process, making it important to obtain it only through a licensed healthcare provider and a reputable compounding pharmacy. Ultimately, the right option depends on your medical history, your treatment goals, availability, and your healthcare provider's recommendation. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing which weight loss treatment you'd like to learn more about.